Hello, dear friend. My name is Ana Victoria Estorvilla. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I am 39 years old. I study psychology. Exercise. Using the present perfect continuous answer the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I had been working for the last year at the Norrache company. Have you been exercising in the last year? What kind of exercise do you practice? Yes, I had been exercising for the past year. I had been practicing cycling. Complete each sentence with the correct phrasal verb. I'm going to Hiba drinking beer. I so far that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa's taking at photography. He's just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital cameras. I don't know how my wife who sat with me. I drink too much and a bad husband and a terrible person to live with. Is you don't right way miss the crime. Transfer these sentences into reported speech. Sarah asks, "Are you busy tonight?" Sarah asks, "Is I was busy that night. I am working in a hospital," she said. She said that she was working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night, he said. He said that they had made a great dinner the night before. Thank you.